So what is everybody saying about the chef's table? Well, I've put together a video. We finally got all of the footage. I'm heading out to an event right now, and I just wanted to share this with you to let you hear with your own ears what people are saying about the chef's table and what they're saying about yours truly, Big Chef Dro. So I hope you enjoy this collection of praises for the chef table and also praises for me. And I hope to see you soon at the very next Chef's Table event. And I gotta tell you, ATL, we're coming.
That's Yes Chef, and that's Richard Smith, and we're at his inaugural kickoff of fine dining, a 6-course meal that we are going to partake in, the culinary experience. That's the Reverend Dr. William Glover. Welcome to Lee Pitts Live, man.
It's always a pleasure, Lee, always.
Hey, I'll be seeing you in a couple of days. Tell us about this chef tonight. Richard Smith, also known as Chef Dro, has the company Yes Chef.
We have a great personal relationship with Richard. And of course, he's been a member of Mount Hermon Church for years and years. He has gone through my ministerial leadership training class, and he actually is the personal chef to Shell and I. And he'll have private chef events to come to my home and prepare meals for us and invite us to his home, prepare meals. So we're excited to see what he's done in a more intimate setting to take it out to the public and share this dining experience. So he's an influencer. He's passionate about food. He has a servant's heart, and he loves making people happy through their palate. So we're in for an exquisite dining experience.
Well, when you come in, we all got our temperatures checked. Absolutely. So we needed to make sure that we were first being somewhat safe. Everybody wore their mask in. So that was another calming piece for us. Then you get in and there are different tables. And what I love about it, it's not everybody sitting with their friends. So you've got table mates that are different from you, different backgrounds, that's creating a different conversation. And then what I love is what Richard is doing for each meal. He has come out to explain to us everything that we're going to get, and then he's telling us the different ingredients for each meal. And each meal has exceeded the first.
He has called it a tomato bisque. He explained the difference between a bisque and a regular soup.
Okay.
And there was the scallop in the middle, and it was
center.
Phenomenal. First class. That's the only thing I can say about it.
I met Richard several months ago, and I was so impressed with him. And when he told me that this is something, and he invited me and told me about it, I knew that I had to block out that entire schedule that I had for this evening to be sure to be here to support him. And this is entrepreneurship at its best.
Right.
To know that it's a homegrown person from our community just living his dream and having a business here and giving us a great time.
First of all, why do you feel it's important that you come out and support this event?
He tantalized me with a mysterious meal that I couldn't resist.
And how are you enjoying it so far?
I can't wait to get back to the sea bass. I heard
Okay.
about sea bass. It's not here yet, so I'll keep talking.
But there's something unique that he had on his salad.
He made these candied walnuts that he put on the salad. And I'm like, okay, he said he made it all himself.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, I can appreciate this.
details.
Because I would spend more money going out to a restaurant to enjoy this same quality. I mean, and the food is of great quality, too.
Yes,
So.
yes, yes. And even the play on the tomato bisque.
Absolutely. He had a lobster cake with a bed of corn. You
flavors-
gotta talk about the food, Lee. You gotta
Bring it
talk
out,
about
bring it out, bring it out.
Listen.
The flavors on it.
What was that on top? That white
It
drizzle?
was a sour cream, but there was a different name to it. It's a
Listen,
name he
he did that.
He-
Southwest
he put his
Florida,
foot
you
in.
need to
We waiting on the
experience
grand
this.
I
finale.
love seeing it. Everything has turned out beautifully. I'm happy to see everybody that's here. Different crowd of everybody come out to support him, and everything just looks nice, and the food so far has been amazing.
What I see in him is that his food is his love. And as long as you're following your love and your passion, it'll take you wherever you want to go. And this man just continues to work hard, and now look at the success. And I suspect that this is just the beginning. We're going to see even bigger and bigger successes for Richard Smith.
Richard, I am so proud of you. You have come from a place and you're proud of it, from the projects, from the city of Fort Myers, and you are a role model to every young man and young girl that they can be anything that they wish that they can be, or they dream that they can be. All they have to do is keep their head bowed to God and move forward and do the very best you can, because that it will happen.
Well, I have actually experienced something like this in Aruba on one of our vacations. And that's why I was able to kind of understand what he was trying to do with the layering of the foods. But the thing that is unique here is this is someone from Fort Myers who embraces his craft. Just like a musician practices, what he does is he plays with the food. And he purposely looks for different ways to build the notes in the food to make you wonder, what is it? What is the flavor?
Right.
And make you taste it from a totally different perspective. So that's what I really appreciate in what he does.
And one of the things I want to point out, in addition to that, everything seems so light and healthy. You have your vegetables there. Everything is not soaked in grease. Nothing was.
It was about 10 years ago. I went to his restaurant on Michigan Avenue. He cooked me. I didn't know him from Jack. He came from the kitchen. Oh, you Lee Pitts? I'm like, yeah, man. Stop by to get something. He said, blah, blah, blah. I recommend that grouper. He brought me out some grilled grouper. I don't pay food that much attention. I just eat and go.
Yeah.
Man, that grouper was so good, Pastor. I can't coming back to that restaurant for that grouper. The dude can cook.
He is pretty much a personal chef. So as long as you provide the facilities, he comes in with his team and the food and all the ingredients. And you just sit back and enjoy. So you don't have to go out to the restaurants. He brings the restaurant experience to you.
The food is delicious. Oh my God, it's so good. Chef is amazing. He's really amazing.
The staff?
The staff, wonderful staff, wonderful staff. I can't say enough about them. They're wonderful.
I'm extremely proud of Richard Smith, founder of Yes Chef, fine dining, intimate dining experiences. This is an inaugural event. We're going to flood Facebook with it. I want you to follow him, like his YouTube, and when he puts on another of these events, you make certain that you, your significant other, or friends partake of this fine dining experience. It's amazing.
So get you a couple of friends, 4, 5, 6 people, bring them over, 8, 9, have them come in and give you guys the experience in your location wherever you are.
You'll be the chef for my wedding. Whenever that time comes, I got to find somebody first.
You've eaten at a lot of nice restaurants. You traveled. I see you traveling all the time. You seem just as excited about right here as you would be anywhere else.
I think even more excited. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Why is that?
Because I'm going to have a personal attention from a great chef. So it's not someone back in the kitchen somewhere that I don't know. It's going to be front and center.
Thank you, Yes Chef, and thank you, Chef Joe, for the fantastic evening.